Welcome, dear viewers, to an extraordinary journey into the heart of human innovation, where ingenuity meets sustainability. It is 2025, and I invite you to explore with me the remarkable breakthroughs shaping a greener, more sustainable world. From the intelligent homes we inhabit to the bustling green cities we call home, these advancements are transforming how we live, work, and interact with our planet. Join me as we uncover the stories behind these innovations and discover how they are forging a brighter future for generations to come. In the tranquil pre-dawn light, as the natural world awakens, so too do our homes. But these are not just any homes. These are homes designed in harmony with nature. Imagine a world where the very walls of your home work tirelessly to conserve precious resources. These smart homes, equipped with an intricate network of sensors and powered by the sun's inexhaustible energy, are no longer a futuristic dream, but a tangible reality. They are revolutionizing daily living, seamlessly adjusting to our needs while minimizing our impact on the planet. From intelligent thermostats that learn our preferences to energy-efficient appliances that minimize consumption, every aspect of these homes is orchestrated to reduce our carbon footprint without compromising our comfort. As the sun ascends, casting its golden rays upon the bustling cityscape, we witness a remarkable transformation taking place. Concrete jungles are gradually giving way to verdant oases, breathing new life into our urban landscapes. Vertical farms, towering structures that mimic nature's ingenuity, are sprouting up amidst the skyscrapers, providing locally sourced, pesticide-free produce to city dwellers. Parks and green spaces, once a luxury, are now interwoven into the fabric of our cities, offering respite from the urban hustle and bustle while mitigating the urban heat island effect. And as electric trams glide silently through the streets, powered by renewable energy, we begin to envision a future where transportation is no longer synonymous with pollution. While nature provides the inspiration, it is technology that empowers us to translate our sustainable aspirations into reality. Like a master craftsman, we wield the tools of the 21st century to optimize resources, minimize waste, and create a truly circular economy. Artificial intelligence, with its unparalleled analytical capabilities, helps us monitor and manage complex systems, such as energy grids and supply chains, with remarkable precision. Blockchain technology, like an incorruptible ledger, ensures transparency and traceability in ethical sourcing, allowing us to make informed choices that benefit both people and the planet. And from the realm of science fiction, three-dimensional printing emerges as a transformative force, enabling us to create products on demand using recycled materials and minimizing waste in the process. But this transformation extends far beyond technological marvels. It permeates the very fabric of our society, influencing our choices, habits, and lifestyles. A profound shift is underway, as more and more individuals embrace the principles of sustainability, recognizing that even small actions can have a ripple effect. Plant-based diets, rich in nature's bounty, are gaining popularity, reducing our reliance on resource-intensive animal agriculture. The minimalist movement, with its emphasis on conscious consumption and experiences over material possessions, is challenging our notions of success and happiness. And the rise of the circular economy, where products are designed for longevity, repair, and reuse, is transforming our relationship with material goods, moving away from a throwaway culture to a more mindful and sustainable approach. As the sun begins its westward descent, painting the sky in hues of orange and purple, we look to the horizon, filled with a sense of hope and anticipation. The seeds of a sustainable future have been sown, and they are beginning to blossom. Investments in clean energy, green infrastructure, and sustainable technologies are creating new industries and job opportunities, paving the way for a thriving green economy. Policy changes, driven by a growing awareness of the urgency of climate action, are providing incentives for businesses and individuals to adopt sustainable practices. And perhaps most importantly, education is empowering future generations with the knowledge, values, and skills they need to become stewards of our planet. As we conclude our journey, one thing remains abundantly clear. The power to create a sustainable future lies not in grand gestures, but in the collective action of billions of individuals. Embrace these innovations, dear viewers, and let them inspire you to make conscious choices in your own lives. Support businesses that prioritize sustainability. Advocate for policies that protect our planet. And above all, remember that every step we take, no matter how small, brings us closer to a brighter, greener tomorrow. Let us move forward together, with hope in our hearts and a shared commitment to safeguarding the future of our planet for generations to come.